What's up everybody, and welcome to today's Tableau walkthrough. In this video, I will show you how to build a bar chart in Tableau. So let's get into it. First step is to open your Tableau application. You should see a screen that looks like this. The next step is to connect your data sources. Today we're going to use a save data source, and to get to that save data source, you go to the panel to the left that says connect, scroll all the way down to save data sources, and click sample superstore. I'm going to zoom out. Once you click sample superstore, you should see a screen that looks similar to this, and this is where we're going to create our bar chart. When you create bar charts, you're typically using bar charts to compare data across categories. You create a bar chart in Tableau by pasting a dimension in the rows shelf and a measure in the columns shelf. Or you can do it by vice versa. And when I say do it vice versa, this means that the difference between creating a vertical bar chart and a horizontal bar chart. Let's say we want to see the sales by order date. So we're going to first drag the order date into the columns shelf, and then you're going to drag the sales into the rows shelf. And don't be alarmed, Tableau defaults to a line chart, and now we need to create this into a bar chart. And there's two ways to do that. The first way is to navigate to the marks card, and then where it says automatic and you see this line like visualization, you hit the drop down and then you click bar. I'm gonna zoom out so that you can see my full view, and now you have a bar chart comparing the sales from year to year. The second way to create a bar chart, so I'm going to default back to the original by just pressing Ctrl Z, is to use the show me panel, which is at the top right. So if you follow my cursor, I'm going to zoom in, you hit the show me panel, and you can see that we have the option to create a horizontal bar chart. This is not my favorite. I typically ideally like a vertical bar chart, but I'll tell you how to create it into a vertical bar chart after we click the horizontal. So first we're going to click the horizontal, and you should see the same results but in a horizontal bar chart fashion. And if I zoom out, I'm going to direct you back to the toolbar to figure out how to create it or convert it into a horizontal bar chart. A vertical bar chart. We're already in the horizontal bar chart. So to convert it to a horizontal bar chart, you need to click this icon here. And this icon is the swap rows and columns. And what this does is it swaps the values in the rows shelf with the column shelf. And this will automatically convert it to a vertical bar chart from a horizontal bar chart. And we click this, and if I back out so that you can see my full screen, you now have the ability to see a bar chart. So these are the two different options to create a vertical bar chart in Tableau. The next step is, let's say we want to get more granular in our data set. Maybe we want some more details. One thing we could look at is not only the year, but let's say we want to see how our products are being shipped. And we can drag this ship mode into the color under the marks card. And we can see that it has divided our sales by ship mode. And if you need to know the key behind these colors, you can look to the right and it automatically creates a key. And as you see, we have ship mode, first class, same day, second class, and standard class. And if we go back into the bar chart and we hover over one, we can see that standard class typically outnumbers in sales relatively to the other ship modes. And so this is just how to create a stacked bar chart. And then let's say we want to then split it up by region. So to do this, we can add region to the row shelf. So let's go over here. I'm gonna hit the drop down arrow because I know, actually not the drop down arrow under product, drop down arrow under location. This, I'm actually going to click region, not country region, and drag region into this row shelf. Now we have something we call a split or partitioned stacked bar chart. And this could be a lot of information to see at one particular time. So to get a better view or a separated view for each region, because maybe we don't want to see them all four at once, maybe we want to see one region at a time, we can use this page shelf. And to use this page shelf and to add the region's partition or the region's view, we can drag region from the rows shelf to the page shelf. And let me zoom back out so you can see. Now we only see the data points from central. And if we want to see from the different regions we can go to the right, which is right under our key, and see that these are all the regions that we have access to. So we have, if we hit the drop down, we see that there's east, south, and west as well. And we can click either one of these and it will automatically change the view. And I'm going to zoom out so that you can see the different options. So if I click east, and the other option to do it, to hit this right arrow, so south, west, and then we can always shift back to whichever one that we care the most about. I'm going to go back to west because I'm currently on the west coast. And now you have created a bar chart in Tableau. And let's name this bar chart, just so that we have some notation. And this is how you create your first bar chart in Tableau. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.